Good to see you. Welcome back.
Welcome back to Completely Irrelevant.
We're here for more.
More, and the return of us. Completely Irrelevant. Yeah. Anyways, we got a lot of good stuff coming your way.
We just wanted to say thank you. 300 subscribers. When we started, we had none.
Almost 300 subscribers.
Almost.
Almost.
You keep saying that. It's close enough, man.
Close enough.
We just wanted to say thank you for all of our subscribers, everybody that watches our videos. Some of them have done...
You guys are awesome.
Some of them done really well. Others...
Totally
Go
suck.
watch them. They don't suck. Go watch them. They're down there. There's 40 or 50 of them. There's a bunch.
Quite a few videos.
If you haven't seen them, go watch some of the old stuff that we've done. It's a lot of fun. Some of it's hilarious.
Good stuff.
But we just wanted to let you guys know we have a lot of fun, exciting,
Fresh.
educational, interesting,
Family fun.
family fun coming your way
Real soon.
in the near future.
Real soon.
In the near future.
Such as...
Don't say such as. It's not a high school paper. Lots of fun things. Lots of homesteading stuff. We're going to be doing some raised beds, irrigation, rebuilding a deck, replacing your own roof. Lots of things to save money.
Solar panels.
Solar panels, flooring, water catchment systems.
Building a fence.
Building fences. Milling your own lumber with an Alaska mill.
Compost.
Composting. Clearing land with goats. Building chicken coops, rabbit hutches, goat pens, cloning.
Building a glass greenhouse.
A custom glass greenhouse. That's going to be really cool. Pruning plants.
Mulching.
Disc golfing, swimming, longboarding.
Lots
more. Anything
Lots
else
more.
that comes up.
All kinds of stuff coming.
Tons of fun.
Lots of fun.
And more of us, because we're the real draw here, I think.
We're so real.
Real?
We're so real.
We're real, but we're real funny too.
Yeah.
Maybe. At least we think we are.
We think so.
Anyway, thank you guys for subscribing.
Thank you so much.
And watching the video. Share with your friends, people that think this type of thing is interesting.
Definitely subscribe.
Subscribe if you haven't already. If you haven't watched our back catalog, we have a lot of interesting, informative things.
All kinds of good stuff. Go check us out.
Go watch our lighthouse video.
Yeah, building a lighthouse. A huge one. 17-foot tall lighthouse. Check it out.
And other
stuff.
Suggest one?
Other stuff. Dancing videos.
Yeah. And dancing.
Lots of dancing.
More dancing. Okay?
Just remember, in the vastness of space, this is completely irrelevant.
Yeah. Okay. Join us next time.
Hey guys, what up? This is Rick Bickelbaum again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's you guys who make this channel possible, so don't ever forget it. Peace.